Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to give you a crash course on car insurance after an accident, so you can navigate coverage with confidence. Accidents happen, and when they do, it's important to know what steps to take with your car insurance. The first thing you should do is assess the damage. Document the accident by taking photos and exchanging insurance information with the other party involved. Next, contact your insurance company as soon as possible to report the accident. They will guide you through the claims process and explain your coverage. It's crucial to understand your insurance policy. Review the fine print and determine what type of coverage you have. There are different coverage types that may apply in an accident, such as liability, comprehensive collision, and personal injury protection. When you file a claim, an insurance adjuster will assess the damages and determine the amount they will pay. However, keep in mind that your deductible may apply. If you reach a settlement with your insurance company, they may ask you to sign a release of liability form. Make sure you fully understand the terms before signing. Once your claim is approved, the insurance company will issue a check for the damages, minus any applicable deductibles or expenses. Remember, every accident is different, and the specifics of your coverage may vary. It's always a good idea to consult with your insurance agent to ensure you fully understand your policy. And that's it. We hope this crash course on car insurance after an accident has provided you with valuable information. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Take care and drive safely.